take ko na yung opportunity nito. Please clarify naman yung nasulat recently na may nangyari daw sa Hong Kong.
Yes. Alam mo, for some reason, it was taken out of context. Hindi po ako nakulong.
Okay.
Kasi kung nakulong ako, hindi ako makakabalik sa Pilipinas, to be honest with you. In all cases, I'd be deported to the United States. But, may nangyari, may kaguluhan na nangyari dahil nabastos si Colleen. And it was a verbal altercation between someone there and me. Good thing, yung medyo sunga na taong nambastos kay Colleen ay ginawa niya sa harapan ng pulis.
Okay.
So, nakita ng pulis. And the thing is about Hong Kong police, they're very, very strict. Kahit yung pinakamaliit magsigawan kayo sa street, pwede kang i-question at pwede kang for statements. And dun lumaki yung respeto ko talaga sa yung authority ng Hong Kong. Kasi they had to hold us. Ako, si Colleen, si Renzo, kasama ko. And yung ibang party, they had to hold them para malaman nila kung ano yung kaso or ano yung mangyayari. So I had to explain to them, Colleen had to explain to them. So na-detain kami ng konti. Pero hindi ako nakulong.
So na-exaggerate lang yung ano?
Oo, alam mo naman, pag may narinig ang mga ibon dito, yung exag na reaction na sinasabi, they assume things before they actually know. This is the first time I'm actually asked about it. I've never made any comments or any statements about it. Tinitignan ko lang kung anong masasabi ng mga tao. And for me, I had to protect Colleen. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Kababaeng tao, ayoko naman mabastos siya. Diba? Pero there were hindi ako nakipag-away, hindi ako nanuntok, hindi ako nasuntok, walang gulo. As in, maswerte na lang kami, the police were there. And sila yung nag-handle ng situation, which was the proper way of doing it. And if it's done in another country, you have to abide and respect the rules of that country. Okay. So we were just complying. And yun, so kahit pumunta kayo ng Hong Kong, magtanong kung may record ako doon, wala akong record.
Okay. Kapatid, sa tradisyong Muslim kasi kailangan, di ba,